If your salary disappears every month, your income is probably not the problem. Your daily money habits are. These 5 habits completely changed how I handle money, and most people learn them too late. If you've ever wondered where your money actually goes each month, this video is for you. Let's break down the 5 habits that made me financially smarter, step by step.
The first habit was simple but powerful. I tracked every expense. Not guessing, not estimating, tracking. And honestly, I was shocked where my money was actually going. Before buying anything non-essential, I forced myself to wait 24 hours. And surprisingly, most of my urgent wants disappeared.
Instead of saving what was left at the end of the month, I saved first and spent what remained. Because smart people don't rely on discipline, they rely on systems. Every time my income increased, I resisted the urge to upgrade my lifestyle immediately, because staying rich is often about what you don't upgrade. The biggest shift came when I started learning about money regularly. Even 10 minutes a day compounds over time, because knowledge pays the highest interest. Most people will watch this and change nothing. Financially smart people pick one habit and start today. The choice is yours.